Kids, Stories, and More is here, so let's all gather near. Art and cooking, movement too, reading, science, all for you. Jump and shout and cheer, hooray! Kids, Stories, and More is here today.
Hi everyone, Mimi here. You remember my buddy Kevin, right?
Hello.
Today we're gonna do an activity based on the story we just read. This book, Princess and Unicorn Stories Sharing. I hope you really paid attention to the story because some of the things that were in that story are in my surprise box. Oh, uh-oh. My unicorn horn, it fell off. That's okay.
A unicorn shed, maybe.
They shed their horns. Maybe. You never know.
It's like deer.
Never know. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use our senses. Our sense of touch. That's one of our 5 senses. Kevin doesn't know what I put in this box. It's something or several things from our story. And he's going to reach in there, but he's going to be blindfolded so he can't see. And he's going to try and figure out what the object is. And all the objects are something from our story. Remember, this story was written by J.S. Jen and Penny B. Jen. They're a father and daughter duo. And illustrated by Sion Platas.
That sounds Latin.
I don't know. Why don't you put this on? Make sure you can't see. Can you see anything?
No, I see darkness.
Okay, great. I'm going to invite you guys to come. No looking.
No,
now, I'm just using a box that we had that was shipped to the house.
Like it.
And I'm going to show you the items inside. Now, I didn't have exact items of everything in the story, but I made do with what I could. In fact, one my daughter made for me. See? So these are the things he's going to have to guess.
One I might have lended.
Okay. All right. So now, no peeking. So you're going to put your hand in, find one item, any one. You found one? What is that? Don't smell it. Feel it. You can use both hands. Touch it.
Pencil?
Not close. Feel the whole thing.
Wait, there's no point.
Right.
I feel a head.
Yeah, there is a head.
Okay.
What do you think that is from the story?
Either a dog or a cat.
It is a cat. So what object in that story had a cat on the end of it?
The wand.
Very good. Okay, he's got one. The cat wand. All right, feel in. Find another object. What is that? What does it feel like?
Llama?
No, not a llama. None of these smell, so you're using your sense of touch.
I sense feather, so bird?
That's it! The bird, the rainbow bird that he made. All right, find another object. Okay.
The llama. Happy llama, sad
Actually,
llama.
that's not a llama.
Alpaca?
No. I'll give you a hint. It was in the beginning of the story. It was pulling the carriage.
Horse?
It's the horse. Very good. Okay, find another object.
A key?
Yes, the keys to the locked box that had the wand in it. Very good. You're good at this game. It's hard to figure out things without using your sense of sight. What does that feel like?
Wood.
Yes. So what is it?
A box?
It's the box. It's the locked box that the keys go to. Very good. Okay. Let's put the key inside. Who would that be?
A humanoid?
Was there a humanoid in the story?
I guess they could be humanoids. We don't know if it's on our planet.
Feel around, and who would that be in in the story?
I don't know which one, but I know it's a princess.
It is the princess.
Why don't we use our Princess Leia? It's the llama.
It is the llama. How did you know it was the llama? How could you tell?
I want the llama.
How could you tell? What told you
long
it was
neck.
the llama? And
Bushy tail.
the fur, right? Got
Okay,
that
it
curly
could be an
fur.
alpaca for all we know.
Okay, but in the story it was and last item. What is that? I'm trying to trick you here.
Wait, this isn't the llama.
No.
This isn't an alpaca.
No.
It has 4 legs.
Right?
I am confused. Wait a minute. Horse?
It is a horse. I thought I would confuse you because I put in 2 horses instead of just 1. You can take off your blindfold now.
Wait.
Very good. You did a great job. Look, you got all of the items just with a little bit of hints.
Yeah, I think this is a baby goat.
No, that's a llama.
Oh.
Was it easier or harder to figure out the items without your sense of sight?
Harder.
It is much harder. When you lose one of your senses, your other senses tend to be heightened. So he had to rely only on his sense of touch. He couldn't hear the items. He couldn't smell the items. He couldn't taste the items. But based on feel, he was able to, oh, that's a mane, that's a tail, it's got 4 legs.
I actually did not know what that was for a second.
So you did a great job. Do you think this was a fun game?
Yeah, what's in here?
I put the key in there.
Oh, wow.
Well, can we say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Bye, everyone. I hope you share this, and I hope you subscribe and like, and come back next week, and we'll do another fun activity and another read aloud. Bye-bye.
D-Nice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.